Guys, so we are at Tagaytay, Bag of Beans, and it's our outing. Di ba, Rom? Say hi! Birthday party! Hi, vlog! Wow! Hello! Yeah! Sa December pa na. 2027. Sir Bart, ilapit mo na yung bowl mo. Yay! Sir Bart, masarap. One, two, three. Nakaganto lang ako. Yes, one, two. Let us meet the owner of the villa, Sir Bart.
Tapos yung pinsan niyang galing
Ayan,
ibang bansa, si Sir Jello.
Yung turistang friend.
Turistang friend or kamag-anak.
Ginawa na natin na story.
We have arrived at our villa. This is the area, kitchen. This is the veranda area. Oh, the pool! This is the room. I think there are 4 rooms here. Another room. We have the bonfire here. We have Ate Mimi. Pupo kami dito. Mag-roast kami ng...
Higa tayo over the fire.
Iba na yata yun.
Walk on fire.
So let us meet our head chef.
Wow. Napakita naman siya.
Miss Maggie. Leah, say hi. We have here Dan heating up the birria tacos. Thank you, Dan.
Yes, dito.
Wow. Full pack.
And then freezer tour. Upper tour. We're in the box.
Yes, you're in a vlog.
I don't want to eat.
You don't want to eat?
Eat because I'm not yet
Hungry. Okay. So let us do an outfit reveal. Pak, Miss Universe.
Flower. Room tour. This is the decor.
Tour.
Oh, ganda ng decor.
The beautiful decor.
4D.
Live action, gumagalaw.
Sayaw.
Yes, o di ba sumasayaw?
Ang ganda na ito. Kasha ko sa bag ko.
Caught in action.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Chan. Hi.
Video.
Video ba?
Ngayon mo lang sinabi.
Record me.
Okay, I'll record you.
Sorry, guys. Guys, we can't find a way to pop all this stuff. See, it's not yet pumped. Sound white boy.
Do you know what kind of fish is that, Ashy?
Pampano.
Is it malambot? Really?
Really? Yeah. Masarap yung liempo.
Ay, ako nag-marinate mo. Pero, ang naglamas-lamas,
Mom.
jowa ko.
Ah. Pwede, sabi ni Dan, pwede na mag-asawa. I got my revenge!
I used to be a frog.
Bakit frog?
Sis, pagod na kami. Kami ate mo na mga kapalon.
Pero dalawa manipis. Yung flow yung mahal.
A few moments later.
Look who came! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Ten, 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 ten! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Matatangkad daw po yung nakatayo.
Hindi, yung mga...
Ayusin mo ba eh?
Dito sa harap
Campfire's ready.
Makilos, hindi ka nakikita.
Nakita mo yung pwesto ko ngayon na.
Eh, okay na. Tayo na. Okay ka na.
Oh, bumalik! Sir!
Diyan tatawid.
Ah!
Ay, maganda.
Good morning, guys. So, it's the second day at 6:15 a.m. Lumabas ako. Pero feeling ko, wala pa sila. I'm just gonna make tambay here. Wait for them. You look pretty, miss. Yes! Guys, I did this with Miss Sam. We have arrived at Sonia's store, no?
Yeah, Sonia's Garden.
Okay, Sonia's garden.
Sonia's Secret Garden. Secret Garden.
Look, guys, these are bees. Stainless bees. Uy, secret room.
Alam na namin secret room yun.
A horse. So pretty. Next stop, we're at Cecilia's Butukay. Let's go.
reklamo.
Bakit pang commercial, Miss Maggie?
Walang camera.